Consider disk having 16 platters. Each platter has two surface. Each surface has 1k tracks. Some information I have just deleted. And after that, size of track is 256 kb, and each sector consists of 2 kb of data. Rotational speed of the disk is 800 rpm. Average seek time is this one. Now they have asked that what is the disk IO time for reading one sector in milliseconds after read write head is positioned on the desired sector. So they are just asking about the data transfer time for one sector. We know that the data transfer time to transfer one particular track is equal to one rotation time. So first of all, we will compute what is the one rotation time is. As given, for 800 rotations, time required is equal to 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. So for one rotation, time required is equal to 60 divided by 800 seconds. Now we know that track size is 256 kb. They have given this one, 256 kb size. To transfer the data of one track, the amount of time required is this, 60 divided by 800 second. So for time for 256 kb is equal to 60 divided by 800 seconds. So for time required for 2 kb of data will be equal to this time divided by 256 kb multiply by 2 kb. I'll cancel kb to kb, and if we will solve this particular equation, then the answer will be 0.0000585 seconds. And if we'll convert this particular answer, it should be 0.0005. Okay, and if we'll convert this answer into millisecond, then it will be something 0.585 millisecond. So my answer can be 0.5 to 0.6 millisecond.